Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We will make a revision on Unit 1. First, complete. Number 1. Mass is measured by space unit and the weight is measured by space unit. The mass is measured by kilogram unit while the weight is measured by Newton unit. Number 2. An object weight depends on. الوزن بيعتمد على number 1 object mass, planet, and distance from Earth's center. Object mass, planet, distance from Earth's center. Number 3, the mass is constant, ثابتة, and not affected by changing the place. ما بتتغيرش مع تغير المكان. Number 4, mass is the amount of what? Mass is the amount of matter that the body contains, and it doesn't change according to place. 5. Space is equal the mass of one paper clip, whereas space equal the mass of 1 liter of water. The gram equal 1 paper clip, whereas kilogram equal 1 liter of water. Number 6, the rule. Weight equal mass by 10. Number 7. As the mass of planet increases, the gravity of the planet increases and the weight of the body increases. كلما زادت كتلة الكوكب جاذبيته بتزيد وبالتالي الوزن عليه بيزيد. 8. The weight of a body on the moon surface equal 1/6 of its weight on the earth's surface. وزن الجسم على القمر أقل ب6 مرات من وزنه على الأرض. Number 9. The weight of a body on earth's surface increases as what increase? As mass increase. Number 10. The attraction force of Earth for a body is called weight, and it increases as the mass increase. Attraction force, this is the definition of weight, and it increases as the mass increases. The second type of question is write the scientific term. Number 1, the amount of matter that the body contains, this is the mass. The measurement unit of mass, and it is almost equal the mass of 1 liter of water, this is a kilogram. The device, or a device used to measure the mass of object, this is balance scale. While the device used to measure the weight of object, this is the spring scale. The attraction force of gravity, this is the weight. This is the definition of weight. The amount of Earth's gravity, not amount of matter. The amount of Earth's gravity equal weight. Give reasons for, this is the third type of questions. Number 1, the force of moon gravity is lesser than the Earth's gravity. ليه جاذبية القمر بتبقى أقل من جاذبية الأرض؟ Because the mass of the moon is less than the mass of Earth. لأن كتلة القمر بتبقى أصغر دايما من كتلة الأرض. The bodies always fall downwards to the Earth. ليه الأشياء بتسقط لأسفل؟ due to the force of weight. لأن ليها وزن. The balance scale must be on a horizontal stable surface. ليه لازم نحط الميزان على سطح ثابت أفقي to avoid any vibration عشان نتجنب أي اهتزاز. The wire of spring balance expand when a body is hanged to it. الواير بيحصل له expansion يعني بيتمدد لأسفل لما بنعلق حاجة فيه، ده نتيجة الويت because of the weight of the body. The weight of any body is different as the planet differs. وزن الجسم بيختلف حسب البلانت اللي هو موجود عليه. because as the mass of planet increases كلما زادت كتلة الكوكب the weight on it increases الوزن عليه بيزيد. the body weight in a balloon هنا بالون بمعنى منطاد أو طيارة، المهم إن هو بعيد عن سطح الأرض. is different from the weight on the earth's surface بيختلف عن وزنه على سطح الأرض. this is because what? because the weight decreases when the distance from the earth's center increases. يعني كل ما نبعد عن سطح الأرض كل ما الويت بيقل، وكل ما بنقرب من سطح الأرض الويت بيزيد. The fourth types of question is we try to wrong, then correct the wrong ones. Number one, as the weight of the planet increase, the weight of the body decrease. طبعا wrong لأن ال weight increase مش decrease. Number two, the weight is constant and it changes as the location change. This is wrong. The weight is variable. ال constant هي الماس لكن ال weight is variable متغير. Number three, the mass of a body change as its location changes. No, the weight of the body change as the location changes. And الماس هنا constant not variable. The weight هو اللي بيتغير. 4. The digital balance is used in measuring the weight. No, this is the digital balance measuring the mass. 5. The mass of a body on the Earth's surface equals 6 kg, so the mass on the Moon's surface equals 1 kg. Wrong, not 1 kg. The mass is constant. The mass on Earth 6 kg, so the mass on the Moon is 6 kg, not 1 kg. Number 6. The mass of 1 liter of distilled water equal 100 gram. لا, liter of water equal 1 kilogram or 1000 gram. Because 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram equal liter of water. 7. The mass is measured by Newton, which equivalent to 1000 gram. No, the mass is measured by kilogram, not Newton. Mention the importance of spring scale measure the weight of objects. The spring scale used to measure the weight بيقيس الويت بيقيس الوزن. Balance scale measure the mass of object بيقيس الكتلة بتاعت الجسم. Sensitive to arm scale measure small masses as gold and silver بيقيس الحاجات الصغيرة. Choose the correct answer. The weight of the body is measured by what balance? By spring balance. Spring balance هو spring scale. The mass of a body on the moon 10 kg, so its mass on the Earth's surface equal 10 kg because the mass is constant, not a change. The weight on the body, its mass 200 gram on the nearly equal 2 Newton because 100 gram equal 1 Newton, 200 gram equal 2 Newton, 300 gram equal 3 Newton. Here, the Newton is nearly equal the weight of a body, its mass 100 gram. Half liter, number 5, the mass of half liter of water equal 500 gram because the liter equal 1000 gram. So, half liter equal 500 gram. If the weight of a body is 20 Newton, its mass equal what? Weight equal 20, and the mass equal the weight divided 10. So 20 divided 10 equal 2 kilogram. From the measuring unit of weight, Newton. This is the only unit of weight we have studied. The weight of a body on the Earth's surface equals 6 kilogram. So its weight on the moon surface, the weight on the moon less than the weight of Earth by 6. الوزن على القمر أقل من الأرض ب6 مرات. So 6 divided 6 equal 1 Newton. The weight of a person in a balloon at certain height equals 70 Newton. What is the weight of the person on the Earth's surface? بالون بمعنى منطاد يعني أو طيارة أو أي شيء مرتفع عن سطح الأرض equal 70. لما نكون الوزن في الطيارة أو فوق أو بعيد عن سطح الأرض 70 يبقى لما نقرب من سطح الأرض هيزيد. طب يزيد يبقى 68 أو 69 أو 70 أو 71؟ لا، أكيد هيكون 71 عشان ده الرقم الوحيد الزيادة عن 70. Your weight on the Earth's surface 600 Newton, so your weight on the moon surface 600 divided 6 equal 100. Number 11. An object whose weight 20 Newton on the Earth, mass equal 2 kilogram, because mass equal weight divided 10. 20 divided 10 equal 2 kilograms. If the body weight on the Earth's surface equals 6 Newton, its weight on the moon surface equal. If the body weight on the Earth's surface 6, so the weight on the moon 6 divided 6, so it is equal 1. Okay, complete here. Number 1, the space is the measurement unit of mass. Unit of mass, gram, kilogram, ton. Here, kilogram. While space is the measuring unit of weight, Newton. Newton is the measuring unit of weight. The mass is measured by space unit by kilogram, while the weight is measured by what unit? By Newton unit. The mass is measured by space balance, Sanister balance, or two-band balance, and the weight is measured by what? By spring balance. By spring balance. Okay. Next, choose the correct answer. The mass of a body on the moon surface equal 10 kilogram. So, its mass on the Earth's surface, the mass is constant. الماس ثابتة 10 كيلوغرام. يبقى الإجابة على الأرث 10 كيلوغرام، على المون 10 كيلوغرام، في أي مكان في الدنيا هتبقى 10 كيلوغرام عشان هي constant. From the tools of measuring the weight: kilogram, double band balance, Newton, spring balance. tool يعني أداة بنقيس بيها، جهاز بنقيس بيه اللي بيقيس الويت، spring balance. The weight of the body, its mass 200 gram. ال 100 gram equal 1 Newton. So the 200 gram equal 2 Newton. Okay. The Newton equal 100 gram. Half liter, the mass of half liter of water equal 500 gram, because liter equal 1000. Half of the 1000 equal 500 gram. Okay. The weight of a person in a balloon at certain height. هنا بالون بمعنى منطاد أو طيارة. At certain height of the Earth's surface equals 70. So its weight on the Earth's surface, the weight of this person on the Earth's surface أكيد هيزيد عن 70. What here? هيبقى عندي 71. Okay. Now we will make a comparison between mass and weight. Start with the definition. The mass is the amount of matter in an object, but the weight, the force by which the body is attracted to the earth. Measurement units. The units of mass, gram, kilogram, and ton, but the measuring unit of weight is Newton. Device of measurement. The mass is measured by balance scale, while the weight is measured by spring scale. The direction. Direction of mass. The mass has no direction, but the weight to the Earth's center. Compare between mass and weight. The effect of different places. The mass is constant, ثابتة, fixed value, doesn't change with changing the place. The weight is variable, متغير. الوزن متغير، يختلف من مكان، change from place to another. Okay, this is the time for problems. Okay.